Konin Bodosa Award for Best Director.
रुंसारि कनिन बड'सा बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय हाब्रुबारि गामियाव इं 1959 मायथाइनि 22 सेप्तेम्बराव जादोंमोन। बिथाङा सासे राफोद सावथुन दिथागिरिमोन। लोगोसे बिथाङा गोबां सावथुनफ्राव फावबो खालामदोंमोन। बिथाङा जोंनि बर' हारिमुनि थाखाय गोबां सावथुनफोर सोरजिनानै गालांबाय। बिथाङा थांनाय इं 2009 मायथाइनि 22 आगस्त खालाराव रुंसारि जालाङो। बिथांनि जिउमाया सोरगोआव आलो गोजोनै थाहैथों गसाइनि खाथियाव आरज गाबबाय।
The nominees are
आं सानो मालतीयायं बायदि रोजा रोजा आइजोफोर दं जायफोरनि रावा नाख्रेबजानानै दं। समाजाव आइजोफोरा हौवाफोरजों समान मोनथाय गैयैखायनो बे हालोद।
गामिनि सुबुंफोरनि जेंनाखौ नों मानो गावनि मोदोमाव गोब्रायना लाबाय थायो?
मा फोथायनानै नों बेखौ बेसिम लाबोखो आरो बेखि जोंनि खामानिखौ मावनो हागोन? बेफोरबायदि खामानिखौ मावनो थाखाय टेलेन्टनि गोनांथि दं।
टेलेन्टखौ बारहो मेडाम। टेलेन्टनि सायाव जा दङ, जानि सायाव जा दङ बेफोर गासिबो दंजोबो बेनाव। माथो मोनसेल' बुस्थु गैया मेडाम। माने नोंथांनाव संख्रि जानो फैदों मेडाम।
And to do the honors, we'd like to invite on stage Dipen Borosa, the president of EPSU, to come on stage. I would like to request the members of BISA to kindly accompany sir to the stage. Let's give a big round of applause for Dipen Borosa. I'd also like to request the members of BISA to kindly felicitate sir with an alumni and a memento. Let's give a big hand to Dipen Borosa. And we are eagerly waiting to know the name the winner.
Good evening, Kulumbai. The Best Director Award goes to Rajni Basumatary for feature film GUWAHATI. Best of luck, Rajni Basumatary. Thank you, Bisa.
So we'd like to have on stage Ma'am Rajni Basumatary, the winner of the Best Director for the film GUWAHATI. And we'd also love to know the amount. Is it 1 lakh? Is it 50,000? Not much, but it's 1 lakh rupees. So let's give a big hand to Rajni ma'am and also for 1 lakh rupees. Arona is a Bodo traditional scarf. The certificate of appreciation. And we are eagerly waiting to hear from the best director. The mic is yours, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Khulumbai. Gasainaba be stage nifrai onnai ada signai ko horbai. I'm extremely delighted to receive this award in front of you all, dignitaries and friends, and especially my girl crush, Mrs. Padmini Kolhapuri. I've been a big fan of yours. Thank you so much for coming here and being amongst us this evening. I thank my producer, Rajni Basumatary, for your immense support. Without you, this film wouldn't have happened and this award wouldn't have come to my hands. And thank you, my other half, Shirish Jain, without whose support I wouldn't have been able to do this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bisa, and thank you, the honorable jury members who found our film suitable to hold this award in our hands. And thank you all our crew members and cast members who are present here. Thank you, Gasinabu Online Hotbai.
Thank you for your words, ma'am. And for your kind information, ma'am. She's also
भिडिअखौ नायनायनि थाखाय साबायखर गोजोन्थों